Hi, my name is Robin Upton Smith. I had a full hip replacement and I live in Puerto Vallarta. I had it done at San Mer Hospital and Dr. Rosas did my hip replacement. First, we had been referred to him by some other friends here in Puerto Vallarta. And my husband had been in the hip and knee replacement in his career when we would live back in the States. So he was very familiar with it. He knew the exact questions to ask. And as again, we were referred to Dr. Rosas when we went and had our consultation with him. He explained everything and what he used, why he used it. We were never rushed. And fact, he did extensive tests on my hip to ensure that I actually needed a hip replacement as opposed to some other type of treatment that could make do. And unfortunately, after all of the tests were done, there was no option but a full hip replacement. And that is the reason why we chose him. Even to this day, he is there on the spot. He answers all of your questions. He follows up with you and have no regrets whatsoever with the choice of getting a hip replacement and no regrets whatsoever of choosing Dr. Rosas. So beforehand, I was ready. I was prepped. I was told exactly what to expect. And then afterwards, his follow-up, like I said, was incredible. The facilities of where I had it done were incredible. And then even the physical therapist coming to our condo and him following up with her on a regular basis. He's just been amazing. You know, one of the things I will say is it's completely different here than it is in the States or in Canada. You actually get the doctor's phone number. And when you have a question, you actually text the doctor. And within 2 to 3 hours, you actually get a reply back from the doctor, should you have any questions. So the amount of service and his follow-up at his abilities was second to none. Yes, I would highly recommend Dr. Rosas. He's patient. He answers your questions. And I have to tell you, going into the hospitals and going into the operating rooms and seeing the level of service from the nurses and the support staff, it is second to none. You know, the type of care, it's just amazing. So I don't think anybody should have a concern of what they're going to get, the type of service they're going to get, the type of accommodations of where the facilities are that the procedures are done in, and the follow-up. There should be no concerns whatsoever.